today we're gonna make two refreshing iced tea. And if you follow this recipe like I did, I can assure you that you never order or pay the bills for that restaurant wala iced tea. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start, yeah. Firstly, make a decoction for the tea. For that, switch on the flame, take 3 cups of water and add a tea leaves in it and mix it. Mix it well and bring it to the boil. After few minutes, you would notice the water boiled. Switch off the flame and strain it. We want leaves left behind, and our tea water is ready. Add a sugar in it and mix it till sugar properly dissolve in the tea water. It takes 1 to 2 minutes for proper dissolve, and after that add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and mix it again. Mix, and you would notice the color of tea mixture is changed now. So that is perfect. That's mixture we looking for our refreshing tea. So mix it and let it cool down for some time. You can also refrigerate it for few hours, like 1 to 2 hours. We need a cold water. So this is the setup for the our refreshing tea. So take a glass, add a plenty of a ice cube, and after that add a lemon slices in it, 2 to 3 as per your wish. Actually, as per your taste, I can say. After that, take a mint leaves in your mortar and pestle and grind it. Grind it gently. We don't need a very paste like a leaves. We only want slightly juicy leaves. And after adding a mint leaves, add a black salt in it, a pinch of black salt, and add a tea decoction in it. Pour the tea decoction into the glass and mix it well again, and our refreshing first lemon iced tea is ready for serve. Actually, you made it like with using a half glass of decoction and half glass of chilled water. It's totally depend upon how strong your decoction is. If your tea leaves is very strong, then your decoction will be a strong. But in this recipe, we don't need a very strong leaves. So our first lemon iced tea is ready. Garnish it with lemon slice and few mint leaves. So refreshing. So it's time to make another refreshing iced tea. So take a glass, put plenty of ice cubes in it. I just love the ice cubes with glass sound. If you also like, let me know. Anyways, After that, add a 1/4 cup of orange juice in it, and after that add a slice of lemon as per your taste, and a orange slices for taste, and some grind mint leaves like shown in picture. After that, a pinch of black salt, and pour our tea decoction in and mix it well. Mix, mix, mix. See how refreshing look it is. So chill. And garnish it with some wedges of a orange and a sliced lemon, and with a mint leaf. So there we go, a second orange iced tea is ready. So there we go. Wow, so appetizing, है ना? So here is the few tips for you guys. You can make distinct types of flavor with this decoction. Add 2 to 3 juices and mocktail iced tea is ready. You can store this decoction in refrigerator for 1 week. You can also use brown sugar in it. It will also taste amazing. Bye bye.